初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Where is the library entrance?
Where is the library entrance?
图书馆入口在哪里？
Where is the library entrance?
Where is the library entrance?
How do I get a library card?
How do I get a library card?
如何办理借书证？
How do I get a library card?
How do I get a library card?
What documents do I need to apply?
What documents do I need to apply?
申请需要什么文件？
What documents do I need to apply?
What documents do I need to apply?
Where can I borrow books?
Where can I borrow books?
在哪里可以借书？
Where can I borrow books?
Where can I borrow books?
How many books can I borrow at once?
How many books can I borrow at once?
一次可以借多少本书？
How many books can I borrow at once?
How many books can I borrow at once?
How long can I keep the books?
How long can I keep the books?
可以借书多久？
How long can I keep the books?
How long can I keep the books?
Can I renew this book?
Can I renew this book?
可以续借这本书吗？
Can I renew this book?
Can I renew this book?
How do I return books?
How do I return books?
如何还书？
How do I return books?
How do I return books?
Is there a late fee?
Is there a late fee?
有逾期费吗？
Is there a late fee?
Is there a late fee?
Where is the information desk?
Where is the information desk?
咨询台在哪里？
Where is the information desk?
Where is the information desk?
Can you help me find this book?
Can you help me find this book?
你能帮我找到这本书吗？
Can you help me find this book?
Can you help me find this book?
Do you have this magazine?
Do you have this magazine?
有这本杂志吗？
Do you have this magazine?
Do you have this magazine?
Where are the newspapers kept?
Where are the newspapers kept?
报纸放在哪里？
Where are the newspapers kept?
Where are the newspapers kept?
Is there a children's reading area?
Is there a children's reading area?
有儿童阅读区吗？
Is there a children's reading area?
Is there a children's reading area?
Where is the study room?
Where is the study room?
自习室在哪里？
Where is the study room?
Where is the study room?
Can I reserve a study room?
Can I reserve a study room?
可以预约自习室吗？
Can I reserve a study room?
Can I reserve a study room?
Is this room available now?
Is this room available now?
这个房间现在可用吗？
Is this room available now?
Is this room available now?
How many people can use one study room?
How many people can use one study room?
一个自习室可以容纳多少人？
How many people can use one study room?
How many people can use one study room?
Do you have free Wi-Fi here?
Do you have free Wi-Fi here?
这里有免费 WiFi 吗？
Do you have free Wi-Fi here?
Do you have free Wi-Fi here?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
WiFi 密码是什么？
What is the Wi-Fi password?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
Where can I use a computer?
Where can I use a computer?
在哪里可以使用电脑？
Where can I use a computer?
Where can I use a computer?
Do you have a printer?
Do you have a printer?
有打印机吗？
Do you have a printer?
Do you have a printer?
How much does printing cost?
How much does printing cost?
打印多少钱？
How much does printing cost?
How much does printing cost?
Can I photocopy this page?
Can I photocopy this page?
可以复印这一页吗？
Can I photocopy this page?
Can I photocopy this page?
Where is the self-service machine?
Where is the self-service machine?
自助服务机在哪里？
Where is the self-service machine?
Where is the self-service machine?
Do you have e-books?
Do you have e-books?
有电子书吗？
Do you have e-books?
Do you have e-books?
How do I access online resources?
How do I access online resources?
如何访问在线资源？
How do I access online resources?
How do I access online resources?
Can I listen to audio books here?
Can I listen to audiobooks here?
可以在这里听有声书吗？
Can I listen to audio books here?
Can I listen to audiobooks here?
Is there a quiet area?
Is there a quiet area?
有安静区域吗？
Is there a quiet area?
Is there a quiet area?
Please keep silent in the library.
Please keep silent in the library.
请在图书馆保持安静。
Please keep silent in the library.
Please keep silent in the library.
Can I bring water inside?
Can I bring water inside?
可以带水进去吗？
Can I bring water inside?
Can I bring water inside?
Food is not allowed here.
Food is not allowed here.
这里不允许带食物。
Food is not allowed here.
Food is not allowed here.
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
洗手间在哪里？
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
What are the opening hours?
What are the opening hours?
开放时间是几点？
What are the opening hours?
What are the opening hours?
Is the library open on weekends?
Is the library open on weekends?
图书馆周末开放吗？
Is the library open on weekends?
Is the library open on weekends?
Can I attend library events?
Can I attend library events?
可以参加图书馆活动吗？
Can I attend library events?
Can I attend library events?
Is there a book club?
Is there a book club?
有读书俱乐部吗？
Is there a book club?
Is there a book club?
Do you have foreign language books?
Do you have foreign language books?
有外语书籍吗？
Do you have foreign language books?
Do you have foreign language books?
Where are the history books?
Where are the history books?
历史书籍在哪里？
Where are the history books?
Where are the history books?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。